Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a quick and simple makeup look for Halloween, guys. For everyone who doesn't have time to do their Halloween makeup look, especially for all the moms out there. Now it is very challenging to spend a lot of time doing your Halloween makeup look. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find that or wanted to join me, I create this quick and easy Halloween makeup look for you guys. In that way you'll be able to save some time and money. Please keep on watching. For this makeup look, you actually need to have a glue. So you can either use an eyelash glue or this Elmer's washable clear glue. That they are actually safe and non-toxic glue, guys. Some scissors, and then you're gonna need some yarn. Thread on this yarn, guys, till it show up like this. So I wanted to look it as natural as possible. Okay, but because not a lot of you have eyelashes glue, so I'm just going to be using this Elmer's washable clear glue. It's really hard to dry, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use eyelash glue, this. Okay, while I'm waiting for that to dry up, rain on these edges here, guys. Okay, it has to be a close color as the color of your yarn. I think that's dried enough, so I'm just gonna cut this bit here. Guys, it's optional, so if you just wanted to leave it like this, that's fine, or you can put more on top with the black color. So I'm just gonna paint this inside red, more like a orangey reddish eyeshadow color, which is the same as the shade that I've used here. So there you have it, guys. So it's just a very simple and easy makeup look for Halloween, guys. So this is just pretty much like what's supposed to be veins, but it did turn out as veins. It actually looked more like I've actually been attacked. So I've actually been attacked by a wild animal, or it could be a monster that have actually been attacked. And as you can see, they're like a big scratch on my side of my face. Got a very infected scab on top. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I hope you actually did like it. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.